that one rule you never followed as a kid?
What?
I'm just saying your own one rule that you never wanted to follow.
Okay. What is it?
No, it's like your own rule that you never wanted to follow. Any rule.
Do you have the rule? How about
No.
I sit down beside you?
No. I think I got this.
You got this? Don't hit you put your...
Could I put it in a bit?
No, like that. You hold one hand, okay?
Okay.
Just still steady like that, okay?
Mhm.
Alright. Ready?
Hold on.
Oh.
Good.
Good?
Good.
Put it a little up so that you can see, you know. You can see you going down. Good?
Good.
1, 2, 3.
What a fail! There you go.
I need to fix the snow first. Hold on.